Premtobre Kasee. Yet was so the more yen for na Northern Regional Manager that National Petroleum Authority no Rashid Dauda. Now what the post say more day ma obibia niti tu yana ye tofu or table so no gaw for no. Yami ni na honi anya hweye or safo no ho. Adom TV etwaso.
Authority a year and some trophy share mu ewo tamale no na Northern Regional Manager Rashid Dauda editu da say sa wokotofa ngo ewo baabi a yenyi wonu mu ntumu a etumi essay a shine engine oditu da say NPA ne fa wo mantam ho no mo no ebo ho modin biara se de beya wonu mu a wo fa akwanbone so eton fa ngo ewo mantam ho no wo betumi ama wonu mu agyan nenso aya ade bia e de ne ema wonu mu person say enipa dodo na akoso a ene wonu edidwa.
We would discourage consumers from purchasing fuel from unlicensed or unregulated fuel stations. A lot of fuel stations or retail outlets and tabletops are springing up at areas within places that the NPA is unaware of.
Dominica Boaje, penina wada plan na no National Petroleum Authority. When ya mani buni etwetwe nkomo wadi tu just say ntokwa ayekoso Russia and Ukraine no. Kan hu bi na ma o kasem abafom. Senti NPA no ede hihye bebre egu akwan mu sede ebeye a enkoba se fa anwo ho ebeye de ne ewo man mu.
Like I said, yes indeed, the Russia invasion of Ukraine indeed posed a geopolitical risk to fuel supply in Ghana. As I indicated in my presentation, Ghana finds itself in an import situation where we import most of the petroleum products consumed in the country. And in fact, the region where we predominantly get our products from is Europe. And Europe is also a continent that sources a lot of its products from Russia. And so with the invasion and the sanctions that were imposed on Russia, obviously it was going to pose a threat to supply to Europe, and of course it will have a ripple effect on supplies to countries in Africa like Ghana.